Okay, I'm just finished with my IPC training. So I got my parcel from Shein. Now this is a scam for the speed.
So the clinical so please gamitin niyo lahat ng supplies na
Okay, I'm ready and now I'm going to the scrub store to get my scrub stitched because this time our college has changed the color of the scrubs, so we need to get it stitched. So they will give us later. So I'm now going to give my measurements for the scrub.
Experience a fun way of shopping.
The shoes are wrong. I just have. So I got my parcel from Shein. I have ordered some of the things that I will need during my internship. So let's unbox my parcel. So the first one is this waist bag. Let me show you. So I can use it to keep my important things with me because obviously I will not carry my bag every time. Oh, so it got a lot of pockets. Four pockets. Since our uniform is white, so I ordered the black color and I think it will go on perfect. The second one, I got this notebook since it has a bow and a stethoscope on it. So I will use it as a notepad to write down things. So the third is also the small notebook or diary kind of thing. So I will also use it as a notepad and its cover page is too cute. Let me show you. Just look at this. The scrub with the stethoscope and that too in pink color and all the things like band-aids, syringes and all. So its design is very cute. The next thing is very important as in Philippines it's hot weather all around the year. So I will need this small fan. So let's open. So it's chargeable. Oh, pink mini fan. Wait. It also has the numbers for the speed. Yeah, the maximum speed of this fan is 100. Now this is a scam because I ordered a sanitizer bottle, mini sanitizer bottle, and they have given me just a case, like a plastic case. What's this? How will I fill it? I don't know. Although it has a keychain, but what will I do with the keychain? See, it has a very cute keychain which is of pink color and it has written P on it. But what's this? I might have to return it and get a new one. And then I got these lens cleaning wipes, so which can be used for devices and also for the spectacles. So, so this is a box kind of thing, and there is one wipe per packet. Let's use it. Oh, it has a good smell. So this is a tiny wipe. Okay. Well, it does work. And then I got this small box for the charger. I don't know if two chargers would fit or just one. So it's like this. Like you can put the wire in this one and then the charger, the socket in this one. And then the last one is this cold wipes. So that's it for our unboxing. Okay, I'm just finished with my IPC training. So let's go home. I'm just waiting for my psychiatric medical test, and it's been more than 3 hours since we are waiting. Let's hope my turn comes faster.